So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could promote your CPA marketing offers using the Microsoft ads right here, otherwise known as a Bing ad. So guys, you want to just simply sit back and watch this video to the end, as this is going to be an amazing video for you right here on how you can actually promote your CPA marketing offers. So with that being said guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, first and foremost, you want to go on to getting a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote, and you could use any platform out there. But for today's video, I'm going to be sticking with the CPA Grip. And if I do head on to CPA Grip, if you don't have an account, you don't want to just simply fret, because it's going to be easy right here to go on to creating an account. Click on register, you'll be brought to this page. Actually go on to filling out all this form right here, or this form right here, and fill out the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs. Once you're done filling out all those fields, come right here, click on terms of services, and you'll be able to read the terms of services of this platform. You can actually agree to the terms of services by checking out all these boxes right here. And once you do that guys, you're actually going to be agreeing to the terms of services and just simply going to clicking on register now. Once you click on register, your account should be created almost immediately, and you can then just simply go on to log into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. Right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on offer tools, click on my offers, and once I do that guys, I can just simply go on to selecting offers from any country of my choice, but I'm going to be using the United States right here. And if I do select the United States demographic, I'll be shown offers available to that demographic, where I can select a cool sweepstake offer or any other kind of offer right now. And you can see right here guys, that this is a cool offer right here, that your leads you actually have to come from the United States. They have to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid $2 for 31 cents for each and every successful lead which you do get to this CPA marketing offer. So what you want to do right now is to leave this page open and head onto this platform called ads.microsoft.com. And if you do head onto this platform, you could just simply go on to sign up for free, and you could just simply click on sign in to actually create and log into your account if you do have a Microsoft account right there. And right now guys, as you can see, I'm logged into my account. What you want to do right now is to go on to clicking on campaigns, and if you do click on campaign right now guys, you'll be brought to this page. Just simply go on to clicking on create campaign, and if you do click on create campaign, you want to go on to selecting the goal of that particular campaign. You want to select either to visit the website or to visit your business location. If you want your campaign to actually go for conversions in my website, for phone calls to my business, for application install, for sales of products from your catalog, and a lot more other stuff right now. And you can see right here that this offer is just for them to go on to completing surveys. So I'm just going to go on to selecting an purpose right here that actually do fit into that particular that offer actually fits into. So right now guys, I'm just going to tell them maybe to click on visit website right now. And if you do click on visit website, you want to just simply focus more on which type of ad you want to run for this campaign, which is either the search ads or the audience ad. And I'm just going to click on the audience ad. You can see more details about each ad right there. You can see the search ad appears as a result of search queries on Bing network right here. They are actually AI based ads with formatting and actually more enhanced and more image enhancement. You could also see the more details about the audience ad. They actually appear on the Microsoft Audience Network based on who they are actually interested in. They are responsive ads in the feeds that fits with the subject matter and the visual design of the surrounding experience. And you want to just simply read through that. You can select any one of your choice, just simply go on to clicking on next, and you can actually start editing your ad details. So right now I'm going to give this ad a name. You could use exactly the same name as in CPA Grip right here. If I do copy this name, you can actually go on to pasting that right there on the Bing ad right now. If I do paste that in right here guys, you could actually go on to put in your budget right now. But the cool thing about this is that you could actually scroll through this home page of the Bing ad, and you will find out that there is no actually minimum fee which you actually have to go on to put in for a campaign right there. As you could see, you could sign up for free and start advertising with any budget on this platform. You can actually only pay for clicks on this platform. Just pay when customer click your ad, and no click, no charge. You could see right here that the budget by the day right here. You could set budget, daily budget, and you could actually go on to measuring the performance of your ad right here once the ad is actually running. So right now guys, due to the fact that there is no limit right here, you could put in any particular budget of your choice. So we're actually going to run in per day. You could apply the budget from the shared library. You could select the location which you want to promote your ad to. I'm going to select the United States because that is where I'm promoting my ads to right now. You want to just simply check out or select who will see this ad, and I'm just going to select only people in the targeted location right now. So once I do that guys, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save and enter and go to the next step. Now in this next step guys, you want to just simply go on to this section which says your website, and you want to paste in the link to that CPA marketing offer. So I'm going to head on to CPA Grip right now, and I'm just going to go on to copying this link, head back to my Bing ad, and actually going to paste in that right here in this section. So once that has been pasted right here guys, you want to just simply go on to creating an ad group. You want to just simply go on to giving your ad group a name. So I'm just going to give it a name such as maybe test. If I do give that a name right now guys, you want to just simply go on to maybe putting in more details about this ad group right here. Maybe you want to put in keywords right here. As you can see, not sure which match type to use or how to add negative keywords. You can actually learn more via this section. So once you do learn more guys, you could just want to go on to adding your keywords right now, and you can actually see that your keyword should be separated via commas or one keyword per line. And right now you could just simply put in like giveaway. This is an example of a keyword. I can just simply put in CPA marketing. If I put in something like this guys, you can see this has actually been added. You could just also go on to adding more groups right now. Right now what I'm going to do is click on save and go to next. And guys, right here guys, you want to just simply go on to adding create and click on create ad. And if you do click on create ad guys, you want to come right to this section which says find URL. You want to paste in the URL to your CPA marketing offer right there. You could just simply go on to put in the ad type. If you want it to be responsive, search ad, the multimedia ad, or the app install ad. Select any one of your choice right there. You want to put in the headlines right here. Put in as many headlines as you can for this particular ad right now. I'm just going to come right here to the CPA grip and actually do copy this exact section right here. So if I copy this section, I'm going to head back to that particular Bing ad and actually going to paste in that right here in this particular section. So I'm going to come right here and remove this section right now. I'm also going to paste in that right here in this section. So I could just simply put in something like this, it says $750 giveaway. Right now guys, you want to just simply go on to selecting the part which you want this ad to actually follow. You could add in more description right here. You could put in the mobile URL which you want to use right now. I'm just going to go on to maybe using exactly the same URL as in CPA Grip right now. Copy this link address, head on back to this platform and paste that in right there. Once you're done, just simply go on to clicking on save right now, and you can actually go on to viewing the preview right here in this particular section. As you can see right here, you do have to add at least 3 headlines, excluding headline containing countdowns or location insertions. And once you do add that guys, you'll be able to see more details about that. You could also add in at least 2 descriptions right there. And once you add all that right now guys, you could see the preview right here in this section. And once you're done with the preview and just click on next, you are actually going to go on to the next page where you actually have to go on to funding your account. And after you fund your account, you'll be able to preview your ad before posting it on this platform. So these are actually cool ways with which you can actually go on to promote your CPA marketing offer with the help of Bing AI or the Bing ads right now. So guys, that's it for now, and I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching guys, and goodbye.